everyone, and welcome back for more DVDs. Sorry, my camera's shaking a bit. There we go. Today I have The Howling on VHS and DVD. Now, I don't have all of them. I'm missing a couple, maybe 3. Howling 5, which is hard to get. So this is the first one. Sorry, my camera is shaking again. There he is. I think the best ones is 1, 2, and maybe 3. I have 1 on DVD and VHS. I've got Howling 2, 3, 4, 6, and Howling Reborn. Howling 5 is hard to get hold of. And I think there's more. I think there's like Howling 7 and 8. But after that, they get shit, I think, so. But yeah. Camera keeps shaking, there we are. Howling 5. Yeah. I recently watched all of them. 1 to 3 is probably my favourite. That's it. 1 to 3. Here's number 3. Watched that the other day. Very cheap. Cheaply made, but they're good films. You don't hear much about them nowadays, but this one's still in its wrapper. But I got another one, I watched it. Freaks. Howling 6. Yeah, not very good. But yeah, if you haven't watched these, you should check them out. Yeah, it's good, Halloween. Howling, not Halloween, Howling, that's it. Reborn. Jesus, it's disappointing, this film. I think my camera's at an angle, there we are. Howling Reborn. Now, someone asked me to do my top 10 scary films. Scariest films. And I'm like immune to like horror films, so I don't know what's scary. Apart from I got like 2. So I'll try and make the others up, I think. I'm not gonna say what they are, but I'll do a video. Okay, we got Howling 4. I watched this yesterday, I think. Wait a minute, it looks the same. Oh no, it's different. Just throw them everywhere. Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah. Definitely 1 and 2 is the best ones. Howling 2. I think I got Howling 5 on VHS, but I don't have a clue where it is. I got so many, I just... takes time to find them all. But yeah, this is a good film. But yeah, the next video, I'll try and find 10 most scariest horror films. I don't know, it's like I'm immune to like horror films. Disturbing films. I got a list for that. Some good disturbing films. But yeah, that'll be on the next video. When I find some good films. But yeah, this is Howling. I keep saying Halloween for some reason. Howling 2. Yeah, good. I hope everyone liked this short video of Howling. You know, leave a comment. You know, if you like these films, or if you watched them, are they shit, good? I know there's some people out there who watch my videos, but yeah, you know, so if you actually heard of them, probably not many people have actually heard of them, but yeah, like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video, okay? This is the Howling. See ya.